This video includes an overview of how to replace a Sizzle Zone infrared side burner on a Napoleon grill. To begin, remove power from the grill by unplugging it, or by removing the batteries from the battery compartment in the cabinet. Turn your attention to the electrode located above the side burner and remove it using a Phillips screwdriver. There will be a wire connected to the back of the electrode that will need to be disconnected. Underneath the burner, there will be a cotter pin holding the orifice in place. This pin will need to be removed, and the orifice must be pulled out of its location in the burner. Now remove the igniter wire from its position and slide out the drip tray. Using a wrench, remove the nuts in the bracket holding the burner in place. The burner can then be removed, lifting the back first, ensuring the tip is pulled through its locating hole on the grill. The new burner can then be placed into the grill. Ensure the studs on the bottom are placed through the locator holes so they protrude slightly. This will give room for the bracket and nuts to be reinstalled. The orifice must then be placed into the burner and held in place using the cotter pin around the tip. Reinstall the drip pan, then place the igniter wire through the hole above the burner. Then connect the end of the wire to the electrode and re-secure it in place. Restore power or batteries to the grill, then test its operation to complete the replacement of the infrared Sizzle Zone side burner.